Hi, this is John with WATI, and I was looking for some protection for my hands for lifting. I do heavy lifting, and lately I was having a lot of problems with my grip and with the skin of my hands ripping off due to using barbells and dumbbells, which the materials were going to be too harsh on my hands. So I found this secure grip pads that there were some lifting straps that are going to help you to have more safety when it comes to lifting or when you're doing pulling movements like lat pull downs like I'm doing in this video that are going to help you to have the opportunity to protect your hands, that are going to give you the stability whenever you're pushing with dumbbells, and that are going to be a good option when it comes to doing heavy lifting, any type, deadlifts, pressing, pulling movements, and anything that it will going to be too harsh on your hands. These are a good protection with good materials, since these guys are made out of a rubber, but in the inside is made of a metal that is going to keep this structure all the time and attached to the bar. So if you're looking for some great protection, lifting and grip straps for your heavy lifting in the gym, these ones are a great option for you. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.